So now that we have our sprite asking us a randomized unit circle angle, now we need to come up with some coding that's going to help us draw that unit circle angle so we can get a good visualization of what's going on to better be able to later on answer some questions about the sine, cosine, or tangent of it. So the angle is 330, so it'll draw it, and then it can also tell you what the x coordinate and the y coordinate of that angle is where it intersects the unit circle. So how do we do this? So first of all, we have to make sure that every time we hit the green flag, we're starting our pencil sprite at 0, 0, which is the origin, and then it's pointing towards the right each time. If you forget to do that, then every time you hit the green flag, it's going to be rotated a little bit off. So you always want to reset it doing this at the top of the cycle. Okay? And we're going to put our pen down. I made mine purple. If it looks better with another color, feel free to change that. And then we're going to turn our angle. And remember, our angle is really our answer from the list category for angles. And then we're going to turn it that many degrees, and we want to make sure we're turning it the right way. And then we're going to move it 100 steps. And I know it's 100 steps because of the way our XY grid is laid out. 100 steps is really one kind of unit on the box. So it's always going to intersect our unit circle there nicely. Okay. And then I had it wait a couple seconds, and then I had it tell you what the x coordinate and the y coordinate is. And from our study of the unit circle, we know the x coordinate is the cosine of that angle, and the y coordinate is the sine of the angle. And that's obviously very important, and that's going to help us figure out the sine, cosine, tangent later on. You're going to use those join operators, and down here at the bottom, you can actually use this to compute the sine or the cosine of the angle.